I didn't expect this experiment to mess with my head the way it did. For 90 straight days, I tracked every single dollar I spent. Every coffee, every random late night snack, every "it's just $5 moment. And what started as a simple money challenge slowly turned into a mirror I was in tea ready to look into. If you've ever wondered where your money actually goes, or why you still feel broke even when you earn, stay with me, because what I learned surprised me in ways I never saw coming. Before we go any further, if you like real, honest money conversations without fake gurus or overnight success stories,
Take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to
it really helps the channel grow, and it tells me you want more content like this. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. So, here's how this started. One random evening, I checked my bank account and felt that familiar punch in the stomach. I wasn't technically broke, but I wasn't comfortable either. And the worst part was, I couldn't clearly explain why. I earn. I budget. At least I thought I did. That night, I decided I'd track every dollar for 90 days. No judgment. No changing habits at first. Just pure awareness. The rules were simple. Every expense gets written down. Cash, card, subscriptions, tips, taxes, everything. No rounding. No, I'll add it later. If money left my hands, it got logged immediately. The first few days felt almost fun, like I was being productive. I felt responsible, organized, in control. Then, reality kicked in. By the end of week 1, I noticed something uncomfortable. I wasn't spending a lot on big things. No luxury shopping. No crazy splurges. But money was leaking everywhere in tiny, forgettable ways. A coffee here. Delivery fees there. Little rewards because I had a long day. Individually, they felt harmless. Together, they were loud. What shocked me wasn't just the amount, but how emotional my spending was. I didn't spend because I needed things. I spent because I was tired. Because I was bored. Because I wanted comfort. Money wasn't just money. It was a coping mechanism. By week 2, trekking started to feel annoying. I caught myself wanting to skip entries. That urge alone taught me something important. Avoidance is expensive. The moments I didn't want to log were usually the ones I regretted the most. And that's when it hit me. I wasn't bad with money. I was just avoiding discomfort. Around day 20, I noticed patterns. Mondays were expensive. Not because of work expenses, but because I hated Mondays. I spent to make the day feel better. Fridays were expensive too, because I deserved it. Funny how money always disappears when emotions get involved. I also realized how often I lied to myself. Not big lies. Small ones. This doesn't count. I'll balance it later. Next week will be better. Tracking every dollar took away my ability to negotiate with reality. The numbers didn't care about my excuses. Halfway through the experiment, something shifted. I stopped feeling guilty and started feeling curious. Instead of saying, "Why am I so bad with money?" I asked, "What am I trying to feel right now?" That question changed everything. I began to see spending as communication. My bank statement was telling my story. One big lesson hit hard. Convenience is expensive. Not just financially, but mentally. I paid extra to save time, but I wasn't using that saved time well. I wasn't resting. I wasn't creating. I was just scrolling. That realization alone saved me hundreds by the end of the challenge. Subscriptions were another wake-up call. I had signed up for things I barely remembered. Some were only a few dollars a month, but together they added up to an amount that honestly embarrassed me. Canceling them felt like cleaning a messy room. Light, freeing. Around day 60, something unexpected happened. I felt calmer.
Not richer, calmer.
Because for the first time, I trusted myself with money. I knew where it was going. I wasn't afraid to check my balance anymore. Awareness replaced anxiety. And here's something important. Tracking didn't make me perfect. I still spent on things that weren't necessary. The difference was intention. I chose instead of reacted. That alone made spending feel less painful and more aligned with who I actually am. The biggest lesson? Money doesn't disappear. It follows your priorities, whether you're conscious of them or not. When I said family mattered, my spending didn't show it. When I said health mattered, my spending argued back. That gap between words and actions was uncomfortable, but powerful. By the end of 90 days, I didn't magically save thousands.
What I gained was clarity.
I learned that discipline is easier than guilt. That honesty beats motivation. And that small choices, repeated daily, shape your financial reality. If you're watching this and thinking, I should probably do this, take that as your sign. You don't need a perfect system. Just start writing things down. Awareness comes before change. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments. I really want to hear what money habits you've noticed in yourself, or what surprised you the most about your spending. And if you think someone you know needs to hear this, share this video with them. Sometimes, one honest conversation can change everything. Thanks for spending these minutes with me here on Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped you even a little. I'll see you in the next one.